Hey, I'm Carson, and I'm here to make trikes great again. Now, if you've been in the paramotor community for any length of time, you've probably heard that things along the lines of, oh, trikes are for old guys. Oh, you're only 30. Why are you flying a trike? Trikes aren't cool. Don't do a trike until you have to. Well, I'm here to tell you guys trikes are cool, and we're going to prove it. So, as you see right here, this is a trike. And then right here we have some glider. It's like a 20. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be so fast. Never overload a glider. This is a bad idea. But see, here's the hangar. We have some foot launch units in there. Now, you know, there's no wind, so we kind of go any direction. But if I was going to foot launch, I may have to carry my wing, my glider, my helmet, all that on over here around to where our big field is at to take off. I'm just going to pop this thing up and I'm just going to drive it down this dirt road around to the field. I'm going to make a U-turn, get it pointed into the big open air, and then I'm going to hammer it and take off while not exerting any energy at all. Now, another thing you hear, you noticed how we purposely kind of laid the glider out, kind of not super great? It's got some little thingies there in it. Here's the thing, y'all. You only need to lay a glider out real good if you never want to get better at launching a glider with a trike. Like, my grandma can launch a glider when it's laid out right. So every now and then, you like to crinkle them a little bit, because here's the thing. When you start to gas it and pull on those, whatever the things are that make it come up, that prop wash is going to go in there and it's going to blow the whole thing to smithereens anyway. So there's no point in laying it out real pretty when you're just going to blow it to hell and back. Always inspect your wing to be safe, and look in your manual and make sure you're not overloading your glider. All right, so I'm sitting here. I got everything set up. I've been on the phone for the last 30 minutes, y'all. Like, I've just been sitting here, and it's like, oh, I got to take my motor off. Now I'm tired. That didn't happen. Like, when I'm telling this story tomorrow, that's not going to be part of it. And look at this. I even got this thing on here. I don't even have to pull it, yo. Yeah. I just realized something else that makes trikes really cool. I turned on the TV and it was right there. With a trike, you can look like this guy. Okay. Making trikes great again. Hashtag make trikes cool again. Okay, that's probably it.